to my first video of for this how to install npm and node.js in Windows 10. I will tell you how to install Windows 10. First we need to be download node.js installer from node.js site. So go to node.js and click here, select download. You can see here current and LDS. It's depend on you. If you want to download latest version, then you can select current and select Windows installer. It's a keep. Yeah, it's downloaded now. You can open it, show in folder and see. Yeah, welcome to the node.js setup wizards. Next, it's agree, next, and this next, install. You can see, and yes. Yeah, it successfully installed and click here the finish. Now you should need to be check the node.js version and npm in your Windows system. So go to the search section here and click command prompt. You can see this one and open it. Click here node.js -v. You can see it's downloaded and version will be the 14.4.0. So you need to be run node.js -v command in your command prompt. Okay, now you need to be check npm also. So use npm -v command in your command prompt. So go to the prompt and npm -v. Yeah, you can see you can easily and successfully download the npm and install node.js in your Windows system. Now you need to be check also verify with the code. So we can create a new folder first for this code. Here you will go to the node.js and we will create a new file here. s.js. Successfully downloaded and upcoming. Open it this file. Okay, copy this path and paste in your prompt. Yeah, and now go to this page and about and copy this code in your test file. This one you can, there is a local host is a 127.0.1 and defaulted port is will be the 3000 and status will be, and now you can click node and file name test.js. You can see server is running at 120 this. Now you can open in browser 127.0.01 and now 3000. You can see your node service successfully download and install and verify with this code. If you want to doing any changes in this code, hello guys, thanks for watching this video. You can see now it's not changes due to, because it's a running a node.js server, so you need to be click Control C and run once again node.js dash.js. You can see now, yeah, it's successfully. Hello guys, thanks for watching this video. It's coming. Now you can see you have successfully installed and run the npm in your Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for making this video.